Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BBG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So a lot of people, eyeballing this one today and trading it. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right up there at $5.60. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $5.60, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, that is where the famous 50-period simple moving average comes into play, which is being denoted by that purple line there. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you are somebody that's just sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. If you want to gauge the health of that from a very simplistic, vantage point, watch that purple line. As the purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it over time, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, you want to see the price stay above 560, but if it doesn't, from the big picture perspective, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the trend is fully in the bulls' favor. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, I'm actually going to have to change time frames because we're going to have to go back quite a bit into the chart's history, which is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far to see where previous levels were. So next key level of resistance right up there at $6.15. And I'm going to actually get a little bit more. There we go. That's helpful. And then after 6.15, next level of resistance right up there at about $6.50. So 6.15, 6.50, next two key battlegrounds for the bulls. But all in all, as long as the price continues to build higher bases, since it's been doing since basically the beginning of September, the chart will continue to take care of itself. So nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.